Hi everyone, welcome to my channel once again. My name is Ofentse Ledwaba. I'd like to share with you the benefits of how Forex trading changed my life. Firstly, I'll start with time. We often live life, but we don't have time for ourselves. We don't have time to spend with our loved ones. We often are arrested in the system, or we are often oppressed in the system. Like all we live, most of our life we live as to working. We spend most of our time in the working environment, as we know that mostly you go to work and then you come back home, you are tired. So basically you don't get time to spend with your kids as they grow up. You don't have time to spend with your loved ones and the rest of your family members. So with Forex trading, you are able to be your own boss. Yes, Forex trading is like a business. You basically pay yourselves. The work that you put in enables you to pay yourself. You trade, you withdraw, you spend the profits whichever way you want. So basically, it has assisted me in a way that I'm able to spend most of the time with my family. I'm able to be present in family gatherings, most which was not possible in the past, which I'll be focused more on work. But now with Forex trading, I'm able to take a portion of my time to work, and then the rest of the time I'm able to spend it with my family. How is that possible? Basically, we know that in Forex trading, you are able to trade while you are on the go. You can trade from anywhere in the world. Basically, you are able to trade whether you are on the road or whether you are with your family. You can take an hour or so just to look at your charts and place your trade. So basically, Forex trading helps us be able to spend most of our time with our loved ones. Capital. How it assisted me with gathering much capital. I've managed to gather capital to fund my other businesses. So basically, you are able to trade and also venture into new other projects, which is not possible if you are working a 9 to 5 job, because basically most people struggle to save towards end of the month. They are not able to save towards the business that they would like to venture in. So come 20-30 years later, they still haven't ventured in the business that they are mostly interested in. So basically, with Forex trading, you are able to trade and save those profits and venture into a new business. Basically, you will have multiple streams of income. So because in life you can't depend on one source of income, so once you have different sources of income, your life becomes better. That's when now you are able to manage your finances. You are able to spoil your family. You are able to take your kids to fancy schools. You are able to assist whichever possible your family members need your help. Traveling. I love to travel. I like to explore the world. I like to see the different places in my country and all over the world. So basically, you need money to travel. So basically, by trading, it enables you to be able to travel with the profits that you will withdraw. Basically, it enables you to experience the life that most 9 to 5 working class are not able to experience, even when they've retired. Because you can't wait until you are 60-65 years old, then that's when you decide that now I'm gonna travel the world. It's not possible, because you'll be tired, you'll be old. Now you will not able to experience the most adventurous things that you wanted to experience at the early age in your 20s. So basically, by trading, you are able to withdraw those profits. I was fortunate enough to be able to do that. I'm able to withdraw and be able to travel and experience different environments with the little data I withdraw from my trading account. So basically, I trade and I withdraw, then I venture into different businesses so that I'm able to see an income, not only from one source of income, but from different streams. Financial freedom. Yes, we all want financial freedom, but we have to put in the work. Everyone in this lifetime wants to be financially free, because most of the working class live the life of working, and then they spend most of their working life on debt. So basically, most of the people, they only become financial free when they retire. That's when they get their lump sum retirement fund, which is not the right way to live life. I've always emphasized that living the life that way is not you experiencing life in a right way. You're not enjoying life. You are passing time. So the time that you are supposed to enjoy in your 20s, in your 30s, it's lost in your working environment. Unlike being in a fun, adventurous and environment that is healthy. So basically, I'm saying that life is not meant to be lived only in the working environment. You are supposed to enjoy life, live life to the fullest, explore certain things, travel different countries, learn, see how other people are living out there, research, do more work, get yourself more knowledgeable about other businesses, invest in multiple sources of income, so that whenever this one doesn't work out, you know that you have 3 or 5 that are in your favor. So basically, by being financial free, you are able to help those who are less fortunate. You are able to take your kids to fancy schools. You are able to spoil your family. You are able to spend as much time with your family. So with Forex trading, I've managed to do exactly that. It has assisted me to be able to spend more time and be financially free and be able to spend most of the time, and also attend courses that also up level my knowledge of financial freedom. So basically, you get to get interested in other different network with other people who are in different fields. So basically, what it assisted me in also in my work environment as a civil engineer, I've managed to be able to fund my construction company, so that whenever clients don't pay on time, you are able to pay your employees. So it assists you to generate cash flow. So basically, what I'm saying is that take your time. The time is now. Don't say tomorrow, because tomorrow might never come. So take your time and learn Forex trading. Everyone can trade, everyone can make profits. You have to get the right knowledge and get the right strategy. If you are interested in the strategy that I provide, the strategy that is proven, and the strategy that has assisted many people in our premium groups to be profitable and also venture into other businesses and also help their families. Some have managed to help their families, take them to school. Some have managed to buy houses using our strategy. So if you are interested, please visit our website, and also I have a free Telegram group, which the link is below. Join it and you will see how me and my profitable premium members trade on daily basis. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more promotional gifts, and also we are running a promotion. Please click on the links to find out more. Join our Telegram group today. Don't miss out. Thank you for tuning in. See you in my next video.